no ena wo hwe omanga na nkita hodie so wono magwa kwenye nkwanhia e wotefe de mantemu yede mu nkire mu ebesem enumre yi na ibaba wura mu e wosoafo no ena wo hwe oman Ghana yesika sam so ode smart dwo ekire mi sem yekese de omanga na kokoo no se de ho sensem ayenom abanya teso se be ya ewiase ebo na eso ahwan no ebeboa na omotumeto gwa na kokoo na kokoo akuafo so nya sika ede agu wonom ebotomu na yede ne ba kire mu e wodom kuma ewo oman Ghana yema so betwam wo mo so ne smart dwa ekire mi sem enmanimu yada Ghana mampani ba ye no ode resetting agenda by nanso openi po no oji ni say onkonkoda oman Ghana ekoko boda no papai wasapa ohunu boto no emfa kura hyemti onyina di ente sa koku akuafo no esom besu no enya simkuma kura ewo mayimu na sanso na kopie mu ewo oman Ghana yana pia mantem a make say Deputy National Coordinator at the National Apprenticeship Program ayefo hard agbanyazi at the smart to dwa ekire mi sem abaya bon ho moden etete mebu no beye 100,000 awon ba boa pa se be yo mo so wo mo nsa betuma nsa ne dwuma no maye adwuma na Ghana sikasem etimi akwana nimu ensem no pina ka ho na yesi so nkonwa ebe so mo se enimre no nsia ka se otiere ha eni nsia ekiri po enkron kasa fidie so na ye ka mo se Lumba supa esu yasene Lumba supa ye nsu aba bonte na won seke be boa papa dwumadi a wudi aba hia nsu ne gina fa koda Lumba supa fise ye nsu no no ene teso wo mayimum mesra wada dodo bi a wo pe no frempenifa amatrufo eswe na gimu kiremum eye 0555 274 757 0555 274 757 ana 0577 475 343 Sansana precious fans of DLC yan kan kira wo sem wonu yeku a wo motai yan papa dade Lumba dwumadi anyinachi de senti ekono ba no homodin ye pa fa wo beka mo hwen na ba panyuma pa wa ye no mo nyina entato na mo amode empie na baba sam na mo uche so bowura koru ma na mapina na wom emu adapend beka mo ho no mo nyina ensomenya papa dwumadim frempenifo a matrufo ese na fa wo kaka ekono ho ahoma na 0244 285 369 0244 285 369 ana 0535 190 661 ye boy ho mara ne say odo no ba kwe na wagye enso say enida so ewo ho ema obia we na adwuma kuase asese yantena se na yemfa enumre no nsia kase gbei emu kiremu no emesomo edi ameje so ya wofa ose ade yo the one Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B medame ho me ba me de kase bo no enkiremu ankasa ebesomo
DL News.
Yamamo akwaba afitu mirikande shia yen ewo Facebook and FNC YouTube na yamfa kasebo no enkiremu ankasa ensemo yahya kasebo na se emfemfiri oswafo no ena wo hwe o Ghana yehuma suaso onimnyamfo Haruna Idrisu ana afenso oswafo be de ekire no ena woda o Ghana yenkita hudie ano and afenso digital technology and innovation onimnyamfo Muhammad Adam Sakwalu onomako akwenye nkwanhia ewo emra na omote omo convoy mu ekopie mu ewo bogatanga tumu kwantempo no so wona ye wadan na ye ogefo abosuma ye wo mi de taso etumienu ewo mfempemienu ene aduno ensiemu na enkrata efiri asoahwe omanga na homasua so am wona matwa atwerefo penin ensa hyase a ne den ede Hashmin Muhammad ekiremam na yade asoafo yi etukwan efiri omanga nam ne nyina ne say na suku edi anda wono so etumu College of Education and afiswe Johan College of Education and no Upper West mantamnim ewa tifide mantam no wonum edi omfinhia na etoso aduanan de senti na so ye hwe omanga na homasua so etuamu so momode yankosi asoene na mu na omonkoba na dwumade ne ma entimi enkonkan na aso hwe omanga na homasua so nkrata no abobonten no ekiremu sem omode na se pa edema omanga na ahobamwoko ana afenso ayaresa emwa hoto mekire head professionals bo omode akopie mu a omokoya omomoa ekoboa na mfinso adehia omgompote wono mankwanhia se bo omode akoboa wono mama mekase no enkwahia no atoya nkyem no ano etimi anyaden na mu kiremu a mekase de yampapa onumnyamfo Haruna Idrisu ana afenso Deputy Minister of Communication digital technology and innovation oniminyamfo Mohammed Adam Sapalu omo yenti bibia dedin ade beto benkum ni nifa so ne ho hihye ba beto dwana Ghana fo nyina ehu de ne so efiri mu eba yanto akase bon so yemfi yani fa nkyeremam ewo so afo no ene hwe o man Ghana yesika sem so Dr. Kessel Atoba Forsen enedua yi ehura gina esie ni simpie so adensam atogya echiremi sei nansen o man Ghana kokwa akuafo no esu anu wono musu efiri sei Ghana fo bekayam efiri ehinima bosome obubuo bosome ekopem openima bosome a etwemu ewo afi etwemu mu no kokwa akuafo entima nya sika amfa mpodwe o mano ene bronya no wono mu konsansa o masetrem anya de wo mu nkwam anya hwam efiri sei o man Ghana yade akoko board etumenya sika edito akuafo no koko nti ema kokwa akuafo yi ene yesu ne adwadwo ne nchini wahwe ekoso masetrem no ano de ye papa ne senti endrada ena o man Ghana mampeni eye John Dramani Mahama ana efisu cabinet ekonhyamudia omokotena ase ne hyepa eguakwam na no nene openipo no ne de o man Ghana yesika sam ano Dr. Kessel Atoba Forsen of friends and telephone hyemu na ye na ye wadai ogefo abosoma ye wome neta so dumienu na Dr. Forsen echiremu yanka nkyere Ghana fo sei hwehwem mapampanifo aye ne afuto omanyane ne nyina ne sei wiasa mansa dwaso no kokoo no buo no eso ahwan eso te sei hu kram enti amase sei no Ghana kokoo no wodokọ wiasa mansa dwaso a ne ton no aye denden enti nya de yenya tofo enti de aduro no ehu behia pass o maga na kokoo no te sei no eso betumi ahwan kakra na boa na akuafo no aban yatumanya sika na kokoo no wonom etimi atom na Dr. Kessel Atoba Forsen kasemu ena wakiremu am akane no my go na kokoo no na odokọ wiasa mansan dwaso a na ton no na chese ne bo no ehuru kwagina 51,660 per tons na se ne bo no wo soro pa etire se kokoo akuafo no mutumi di pechem na so mpempren eye wiase amansan dwaso no kokoo no bo no eso ate ababegina 4,200 per tons ene se we na so ate kura ne senti sadia ye no mu kiremu a eno nkire se mekokwa akwafo ndedi nti no kokoo ne buo no agese mpenifo etumi hwe aso kakra sabe ye wiase amansan won betumanya sika beto Ghana kokoo na akwafo no enya bi edim ne senti mprempre no yanka nkire Ghana fo se kokoo ne buo no sese o mate so e de aba 2,587 per bag enti akwafo ne buo no akane no na ya 3,600 chesende 20 de wo ho sese ne de sese na pa abana hwansu se hwam 2,587 per bag ti sese no maga na kokoo no ebu afiri sese no aya 1,038 Ghana cedis ena Ghana ban aya afiri so aban pese oboa na Ghana kokoo no yetumito na ne nyina che no efiri na de kuro no kokoo akuafo yi efi china kro no cocoa board discover bon tema Ghana for mu bibia abade moka no monsa ahase aka musika Atoba Forsen the same say etudwa.
The world market price has dropped significantly from the average of 7,200 tons to 4,100 per ton, making Ghana's cocoa beans uncompetitive and creating liquidity challenges. To address this, the Producer Price Review Committee, PPLC, met this afternoon under my chairmanship to assess the challenges facing the sector and review the producer price for the remainder of the 2025-2026 crop year. In order to cushion the farmer, the PPLC has recommended that the farmer be paid 90% of the achieved gross FOB of $4,200 per ton to mitigate the adverse impact on the farmer as a result of the fall in the world market price. As a result of that, the PPLC thereby announces that effective today, Thursday, 12 February 2026, the new producer price for the remainder of the 2025-2026 crop season will now be 41,392 Ghana cedis per ton and 2,587 Ghana cedis per bag. This measure has become necessary to reflect the reality of the world market price of cocoa, ensure the injection of immediate liquidity for expedited payment of farmers, and guarantee the sustainability of our cocoa sector.
Aha, entiwei aya namawa aban etu ediabo asabaya nyen koko akuafo koko nene wono mate a akatemu na wonum enya tofo no aban betimi ato efrise wiase amansan ebo so ebo no kwasoro bebre saa na eba saa na anya de Ghana koko no oman won betimi ato ntisese na aka na goman Ghana ye koko no na ebo no ye 3625 Ghana cedis say no aban ate ediaba 2587 Ghana cedis ntisese de aban sese sika ye krato enti koko akuafo mbotom be ye danansenya ntimokamakoma emfanto muyempam nanu achi ana osofo hwe sika sam so akirem say de asie no edikan abadi ho yaw efiri say enye sese de nka aban peninie nye sese de adwene pe se de bia nka hugya so nanso se de wiase amansan ebo na kwaye no anu wade no saban entimi ya nteso a ebeye dempa se koko no je betimi ato efiri say Ghana koko ne boya dempa the
causes of the situation and the way forward will be my next thing to address. The current situation is largely driven by the unwillingness of buyers to purchase Ghana's cocoa because it has become uncompetitive and very expensive. Cocoa from other producing countries is now selling at a price significantly lower than that of Ghana's producer price. Meanwhile, Cocoa Board did not have the liquidity to purchase cocoa from farmers and stock for hedging or other trading decisions. This was due to the financing model invented in the year 2024-2025 when the syndicated loan failed. Under that model, the buyers financed the purchase. By 2022, Cocoa Board finances had deteriorated badly. It defaulted and restructured the cocoa bills in the year 2023. For the first time in the history of the cocoa industry, in 2023, the annual syndicated suffered significant delays due to the loss of confidence in the Ghanaian economy and the sector. The first tranche was received on 22nd December 2023, 4 months after the commencement of the season. Cocoa Board projected an output of 800,000 tons and committed 786,672 tons in contracts in 2023 and 2024 crop season. However, actual production was 432,145 tons, a deviation of over 45% from the projected output.
Naturally say, ekaba panom. Na enya de wakra enti no wiase amansan ho no mo no emu nya deba akokra enu nti ana akoba ne sam na no achi ena osofo no ena hwe magane sika sem so Dr. Kessel atuba forsen echechire nsemu bieu no wokire mu am yakwaya ne mo no wo meye hyehye e de akwadan oman Ghana ya mahye bedwa na ma wo mode atintimra e de akwakoto asoye no ena hwe eto oman Ghana yenkoko sebeya wiase amansan ebo no se kwasoro pe sika bia babeto no Ghana akuafo na nya hwekura no ohamuji chemaduoson 70% be yamodiam enti na ban bia ba ontumi mumu kwase de bia la da ende sika be kwaso amansan bia so menya so mfa so pewa na aba na atwa mo no sika ba ye pa na akuafo no saka no mo nsan kan sa bu akuafo no efa so sam ene ne wiase amansan ebo no to te ya akuafo nwa kodim nti hwehwe no se ma se badwafo jutum pe be boa se be ya kokoo ne bo no kwaso wiase amansan bia so a Yes,
the reality is that after careful revision of the situation, the Producer Price Review Committee came to that conclusion that something needs to be done. Being mindful of the impact on the farmer, as the chair of the Producer Price Review Committee and a strong advocate for cocoa farmer, we push so that the cocoa farmer gets 90% of the producer price for $4,200 at the prevailing exchange rate. So that is the reality, and we need to save the industry. We need to make it sustainable. But let me conclude by saying this. Unfortunately, in the past, when prices of world market price of cocoa moved up, unfortunately, the cocoa farmer did not benefit. It is a fact. When the exchange rate depreciated, the cocoa farmer did not benefit. And so it is only fair for the cocoa farmer to raise concerns. It is only fair. Never again should this practice be allowed to persist. Never again. And so to stem that and to allow allow the cocoa farmer to benefit from future rise in the world market price, we are going to propose in the law that will be sent to Parliament that there should be automatic price adjustment. And automatic price adjustment, the cocoa farmer will receive a minimum of 70%. So it doesn't matter where the world market price is. It will now be a law. And it doesn't matter who is the chief executive of Cocoa Board. He or she cannot have the power to cheat the cocoa farmer. And so going forward, the cocoa farmer will be protected. And that is the essence of some of the essence of what we address today.
Ne kwa mono ena waswa for show my Ghana sika sem so Dr. Kessel atoba force na man boom ena wo kire mam. Sesi amekese de o man checheye ekwa akoto o my Ghana aban lo ya pani onu kra nso ena wo hwe o man ye na 10 ne so Dr. Damlek ayene obo mode anhwehwe mapa e de afa enfrenhia nwotwe a MPP osene kokokwa manyoko bedi o my Ghana banwa so am wonu matumi atena se ayenhwe hansa mapro ene kankan ene kabo abeto my Ghana yekoko board so ene ama my Ghana kokwakuafo yi ebre na mra na obi bia da ne ho beka kwakwadi adwamu no etimi edini sede mra esie.
To ensure accountability and transparency in the management of Cocoa Board and the cocoa sector as a whole, Cabinet also directed the Attorney General to commission concurrent forensic audit and criminal investigation into the activities of Cocoa Board over the last 8 years. And I repeat, Cabinet also directed the Office of the Attorney General to commission concurrent forensic audit and criminal investigation into the activities of Cocoa Board over the last 8 years. Cabinet has directed the Ministry of Finance to initiate also immediate reforms at Cocoa Board to streamline their operations and cut costs. Wasteful and uncontrolled expenditure practices are to be curtailed immediately.
Any awoti ye ono na yo swafo a ohwe o my Ghana yisika sem so Dr. Kessel atoba forsen. Yantu akase abo no so ene yemonwura mu odomkuma wanom ewo o my Ghana yemese badwafie. Wanom so edensema tudwa enumire yam. Na domkoma ma se badwam wanom amanebo ne tenten ne tetiam nyane se o my Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama emra na wo bontoa na obapre o my Ghana tumi no beka kire Ghana fo se MPP amanyoko no wonom aban ayafrakadam chese ne yatiri moden pam Ghana koko no na mu aye depa tadwufo wa na so mo yensen hwan me koko akuafo ne brenti Ghana akuafo koko no montratrem eni afina kokorum ba beye de anya hwimpo no ohamje chemu beye eduosia kọ eduoson de mu benya 6000 to 7000 de akuafo na modia nanso okirem Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama baaye no wakwa akwafa opani po no ne den ede Dr. Randy Abe Anate okirem opani no yo bi a football adwuma na papa yi woye agropama so agokensi de papa wonim omunim de ekosi ya Ghana mampani etumi pagya no free agropama so ne kwatena o my Ghana akuafo tena bia ye no ne se na men se bi obi a ono de football ho adwuma na woye se onko hwe Ghana akuafo so ye ba ne sen wa mu kira papa yi ohun boto anu fa kura mfa nhim ontumi nsi top kura enti abanyi na de na domkuma no enumere ma friends entwerefo nhiem na mu kire mi se sa producer price a Ghana mampeni ene ne mpani fo de abeto dwa sese no edisu sanso bone ba akuafo no mo abusuafo so a mu baye den ye pam na okirem a ade aba kwa ya ne se wakwa hu ne kena na ade ba chi yesifiri ho no na san kwa wachi kwatena techim obi a na ne ho kire no na abanda da beboa ne kwatena ba bie ho de na ne abanya bayi na free ba bie ho de na beto ho kirem sa ade a akuafo no mu wire mfi o matetena mu da ne senti se baye bebo na akuafo matetena mu baye de nte no ne manim yada Ghana mampeni o ma ne ho mode na akuafo no kokko sika no se wanye bia ma wase ya ye monokro no nti omo nsanka na nya de omo ne abanya adwen na mra mo fence nhwemfo nhye mu anumire ya no ena kodwo opon kroma oye ranking member on Parliament Economy and Development Committee o kirema de aduro yi de sas katotwo pon aban de makoko akuafo de nyamanim nukure ni 2587 per bag ne de wa mo nyi ntomo da aban osra wada sade abato ayampia sanya tumi no makuafo ne te deficit de oye no se wanyi rwande abedi no wa makuafo ne sika no monsa nka omeye oye kire wo manyim.
All of this has come about because of the reset that Cocoa Board did. And that is why, respectfully, we ask the president to relieve the Cocoa Board CEO of his responsibilities at this point.
DLFM
Number two, we are asking the government that in previous times when cocoa prices fell, and the government absorbed the shock and protected the cocoa farmer, the NDC government should absorb the cost of what they have done and protect the cocoa farmer and restore at least the 3,625 that they promised. This 2,800 or so that they are promising is totally unacceptable. Already we are receiving messages from cocoa farmers who say that if this is what is going to happen, they are going to demonstrate in a number of these. And if they do, we in this caucus, we will join them on the streets to do this demonstration. We thank you for that.
And I actually, dear, oh my God, Domukuman is a saban and pen and wakasaka said, yeah. Oh my, we are phoning some musica, and yes, or yatron bayan or may mono. Ghana man penin in our buying. Or moon be that if he said yes, you know. A more yapan and sabi mako and a be any mum. Na and watchy and a domukuma or much bedroom as I told Mocassa and Muchim would say. Ghana man penny by you know. Seko quack for botomunyada. Namunya's a fanto, kukuna. Marco yempu to prunche mudia, Marco for cabinet members, Marco Tanasi. Enti Trimupama boy and Yanis a Monte Kuku Sukekana. And a damn woe, or Trema young country ban say. No ma be a honoma, a ya prone cankai, a bang, as a soso, and a man may be young conkai. No one penny per money bon swenny, I'm a month to 20 man a manacoba senti. No be she sumase, as I bind pound to ma, and Tessa, a banya do may have money quick for.
The Republic of Ghana did not need an emergency cabinet meeting just for the purposes of discussing how to pay cocoa farmers. When you have to call an emergency cabinet meeting just for the purposes of discussing how to pay cocoa farmers, then there's a real crisis in government, which you are covering up with some numbers and some narratives. In the previous MPP era, payment of cocoa farmers was a matter of regular procedure. Now emergency cabinet meetings are being called just to discuss how to pay cocoa farmers. But to the more substantive argument, first of all, the announcement that Cocoa Board should immediately pay them, that announcement is of no effect. Because that announcement presumes that Cocoa Board has the money and was deliberately refusing to pay the farmers. Is that what was going on? No. Because if this whole press conference is about the fact that the government went to a cabinet meeting and has instructed Cocoa Board to pay the farmers, seriously, it raises more questions than answers. Because unless you are saying that the money was available and Cocoa Board was refusing, then what the government should be doing specifically is instructing that emergency liquidity assistance should be released to Cocoa Board to pay the farmers, not an announcement that they should be paid.
And the Amuchema, Sancha Mudina Mokoy and Ankasana Fanfa Swan Farm more may, and oh my Ghana, ye cuckoo, equia forno. Na Nequa Cram and Mamkuma Mashabajum, one eto Macasas and Muchim, and make a no bowdam Cocoa Board, Akatia. A canning share pa MPP, a man you couldn't bet to Honomono. NDC, a man you call Saka Ghana, or may to me pet no more catch a Ghana for say. One air resetting. And as they say no, a banner quay resetting, Papabi, and aqua jetta, and a nema and Nhyiraba Sakatu, and a one who botano and Falcon Fanshim, and no Cajon and ne, a Mako and Seminano, acquire Bassa, dear Makia free, no Tremam. A bay shas ya pet, no my gun economy. And ye sick a CD, now what didn't say then, Nanya than MPP, you couldn't bomb Mania Bonanzo. And this a bang by a pet, and ye certain government, or Peso Yana Ghana fortunate dinty, and ye see Nanya who dang artificial economy, son and ne, aqua jetta, Massa Ghana sick be a man who can some new question economy in Macquarie and son and ne, Marco sit down, a dear sitting foot to an and a day, a work we free. Two
main causes of the crisis we're having in the cocoa sector now. Two main causes. Number one is that the new managers of the cocoa sector have reset the trading program of Cocoa Board. We used to sell about 70% on forward sales and 30% on spot. They argued that that was an incompetent approach and decided to change it. And now they are selling about 70% on spot. That is why today, as prices have dipped, they are struggling and are saying that the price they had announced ends up being higher than the current prices on the market. That's number one, because of their own decision to reset the trading model. Number two is the artificial injection of forex into the Ghanaian economy, which has overvalued our cedi, as Dr. Amin rightly explained, and is therefore making our exports relatively more expensive. Remember, we've been raising this matter for a while now. When you say, they say, oh, dollar has come down, clap for us. Now we are beginning to see the effect, at least in the first area, in the cocoa sector.
Enti, omokanya, omanti no. na ho asɛm na wabai enti omodi ka ya mpenifo antie nene akwagye ede ama oman eni a wuti ye no ne den ede oniminyamfo kodwo opon enkroma ono aye ofoase ayirebi ma hyebadwane abowura mu ma hyebadwamu a ono obo adwumaden ye papa ewo man Ghana edom kuma no afa ewo ma hyebadwam na ne dibra kita na ma hyebadwam dom kuma no afa no ono oye ranking member on Parliament Economy and Development Committee ena wote ne nkan enti sese no kokko hu sensem no aye owianam twetwe na asra ne abasa saa wo mayimu a enye asem kuma kra nti no ho asem na waban na yanto akase won so na yakoyanim na yankoyanim dia na o man Ghana aso ya ohwe o man yakwana badia hu sensem wo mo de nsema batu dwa na mo se yanka nkyere mpanifo sa nansen ehyen bia bakuro yi mu a wan mo fra no Toyota Voxy na sa Toyota Voxy no osini wiem hyan ene wotu a kwam na chiri mfuto hunu bi ene yesasasasasa okrakram okwaduro mirikatrom na empanifo akire mu a ene nkwanhie akoso o man Ghana kwantempon so dodo na ayesa Toyota Voxy mirikatente ekona no otentoto na wanom bisa say companies ahodo yes ahyen we no enanim yada sa yehyen no mo yes yamfa ntu kwan kɔ akiri kwa tenten anasa we de yenia yemfikyire mpotem na enkwamra anasa we mpodo mo yeso ne ebia wenya usika apese ne wuda wo kam kaka na wo de gemframa no abusua mo de anasa yamfa mpa passengers emfa ntu kwan kɔ akiri sa de sente mo de bosom ba akɔpa e de ma hɔ e de esi hɔnom e de ma companies a wanom ba moden eye sa ehyen a yefrɛ no Toyota Voxy and afin so companies a crash we di bo man mu say one ma kyerɛkyerɛm technically no sa ehyen a edi ada so Toyota Voxy no one ma kyerɛ Ghana fo mpanimfo say sa ehyen we no ese tubo moden a etu kwan kwa chichiri ne edi fa nipa passengers ekwa eba anase ne obi private car bi e na obi nsa ka odidi dwuma we wo manyim no they said to dwa ne e wo mra wanom friends and trefo nhyiam wo ne ya wade ya ogefabo soma yomene dato so dumienu e wo mfempiemienu ne edumienu mu aduonu nsiam e na National Road Safety Director General Abraham Amaneba e kyerɛ mu sɛ ensembo ne nkyerɛ sɛ Toyota Voxy no wanom ban ne dabida wanom emfa ohye emfa nto omdwumadie so de na mom wanom pɛsɛ mpanifo ba kyerɛkyerɛ mu hu ne sɛ saa ehyen no emrama ho kwan sɛ emfa nipa nkɔ akyirikyiri saa na hyen na nkasa no sade etie no ewa hoden soronko a ebetumi abo sɛ bɛyɛ nkwanhyia nkɔsɛ fi sɛ nansa nkwanhyia no dodo na yesa Toyota Voxy ene de ba
analyze crash data and road safety trends involving Toyota Voxy vehicle. Then the last one is make evidence-based recommendations which may include regulatory reforms, enhanced safety requirements, restrictions, or other appropriate measures to safeguard the public. So all that we are doing is to ensure that the public is safe. By your committee's work will go a long way to ensure that we are able to do a good job. We are giving you 1 month because this is like a hot potato. It's a burning issue. People are dying. We cannot go beyond 1 month. So we are giving you 1 month within which to present your reports, and we'll give ourselves 2 weeks upon receipt of the report to start implementing your recommendations. We are not going to take away anything from your recommendations. You can be rest assured we'll be transparent. We would walk the talk as an authority. We are not going to cover anything. And I can even say, even before you start your work, that so long as we are concerned as authority, your report will be made public.
Any awoti ye ono ne ye kwankyerefo pani e de ma so ya ehwe o man Ghana e kwan so kwese dwumadie so mekyere National Road Safety Authority one Director General Abraham Amaneba na wote ne nkawie yenyina we so ne yakeka madwe nkyere amode abasoma nimre yi bi emfa emamo e wo Facebook no eso na hwana bo Frank Amankwa de aba no so hwe live edi free kitase no say thank you President John Mahama Ghana kuafoda was papa Send ne obeka kire Ghana kuafo say omukoko no muntumi ento a matumi atete so sa na ntro na mo beji omenye kwamwa tena so piaga de aba na say Vars Day gift for cocoa farmers nti Vars Day achade na Ghana man pani de amakuafo no na Sweet Elizabeth de aba na say good evening my handsome uncle Sam DLFM news original news I salute you no say Lumba super taste wumpa Sweet Betty no the free Lebanon is on form na ana ne kunsu kodwokrom de aba na say NDC aben ade amaye ehu pa o baby ayedre ya da ye ho akọ agropama so me wafa ase Kenneth atana se na me na me homra sisia na yenhwe de ekoso agropama so nti ye ba sisia
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9. DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
DL Power Sports. DL Power Sports.
Hello, my name is Emilia Probe. You're listening to DL Power Sports.
Wa finance utumetu atana kakra
Mon spring it off. Now if you samra back. As I said, you're medin kunim. Born okra my head. My shall go. Mukase go.
Nyameje yanso kana tata ya krato yankwa ne tene yama na kwaba ne yamfa nsama ho de ntentemai awa agropama so no MSO mani mene Kenneth
wafa
empom di say
oh nyame adom ade ache enko ade ye de asida no be ma otwedi ampom basa yadom
bera na watwe mu de yentumi nhyiaye
oh ye nhyiaye but ye share de beta nhyiaye na
no se bibia boko de
bibia boko chena Vals Day
chena mom na nhyiaye na Saturday but chena 13th
chena 13th
and ye pre Vals Day ne ye de kwotema no
na wafa wotade ache obi de
o say
wenye obi a wotade ache no
me hwe animu se adofo be tade ache me
Samu
saa na me ne kofi saa ne ye hwe no ana unu anya saa ye hwe animu se omo do ye no ebe che ye bibi ba me anso me wadofo ba ko mienu bi a me prepare kira ma won is very important but enye wo hye ebi no ho an hye obi a
of amafo to belo
say
Vals Day amafo to belo ma yenu boys e wa abonten ho
ne wa pe na abetua se eska me ametuo wo fa sei ne de me obi antum ma bel bia da be da me nya ne sakra de wo do nsem ne wo de ma Vals Day no enye wo hye adwuma ohu eye adofo nyina da wate ase enti se duru ho nom na bibi wo ho na apese bia do de di kire obi a eno no betumi aye no wo fa so but enye wo hye se we nsu so yankwa ne twintwan se enu nti obi ama no dofo Vals Day ade enti oni na jai Ghana fo de nimde mbetumi aye ye nimde mbetumi anti mo wo fa ase fo wa be ye ho sa na mechi watum bema bia oba be ka kire wo se Vals Day wa ma na hunu su nti no onu beja no freme na mechi ntum ma frame mechi ntum
mati wafa
man nti ase say do Vals Day na nya mema nko na prepare chi omo so prepare chi bi Ghana fo ma no pesa ena me kasa mema no kakra omo pesa bibia bedu ye keshin bia na mema no nko a why
wafa man de ka ye bia no ye wo e bia omo special days no be de ho
enya fine edu ba bia ma no ba man be so special e bi ya de o e bi ya de pa ba do do na anim sa de ne ye edu ba bi sa na occasion bi ukọ krom na bibi efe de abra odofo ne nyina mo hwe se be ma nko na enye akwa homa so ono kro ya e ma school fees ono a bibia ono a chale
wafa de ma yenkwamra
na ye be prepare chance asore
Right, ebusanyamu akwaba biom enfembra deal 106.9 FM so se nenyume so yetumi etna sene dia go kensem nsem no etumi etwa so ewo kasebo no so edebro damidino ede Kenneth Arthur Mr. Kwame Fum wono ebo ye chido saso na Bismarck edu se man friend man bise odi sika Abrante saso na Jason Boraman womunia ebo ye chido ema nana dwe dia go didem nsem no enso etumi ede abrebe sha se de fifie dia na okopiemu o the Ghana Premier League match week 22 echina ye share games na se ewo takwebra media ma boboku no womo etna fie awo kame boboku a idin ede eduana star channel se china sa game no eno betumi atotwa ewo takwa TNA Sports Stadium eno eye 4:30 ena sa big game no eno so betumi atotwa ye de san komo no enso etumi etu na 11 the Saturday womo etna University of Ghana Stadium no mo atonsa ede afre boboku a eno enso eye Vision FC na sa big game no eno so etumi atotwa channel se Sunday ho ena big game na nkasa no eno so betumi atotwa na unim se Kumasi Asante Koroko ewo baba njara no eno eye Sunday womo ene how to folk ede sa super clash no eno so betumi atodwa ye ba ni ebedi sa game no enso ho komo etumi ede amount dia na sa game eno so betumi atodwa nshane nso se Carolina United ana se boboku a ni din ede hoho United womo etne fi ewo kwando no matonsa enso ede afa boboku a ni din ede Nations FC Dreams FC womo etne fi atonsa ede afa Carolina United sa so na game a eno so etumi etodwa ewo bibieni no eno dance park bibieni Gold Stars womo etonsa ede afa clubber ni din ens ede Baseke Holy Stars aso na game a eno so etodwa ewo Swedro no ade a Swedro All Blacks no womo etna fie atonsa ede afa FC Samate aso na game a eno so etumi etodwa ewo Brekum Golden City Park no eno so game a eno so betumi atodwa Brekum Chelsea womo etonsa ede afa Heart of Lions aso na big game no eno so betumi atodwa ewo Bechem eno Bono Derby game a Bechem United womo etonsa ede afa Young Apostles and also Semano Free Ghana Premier League match week 22 no and so etumi by the sound come on and so etumi tuja na unim say na watch me na beto dwa say ade asa super clash and also betumi atuja na man for kase referee ben kwana one also betumi edi game na me no kase dem 24 and so the officials Sunday game no almost etumi ekwoto agere ma bibia and so etumi aye kama na unim say center referee no and no ekoma FIFA referee Daniel Lai one na ekwohwe sa big game and also etumi to the assistant referee 1 and also ayo penina your friend Paul Atiama Kasaso assistant 2 and so ayo penia your friend Seth Ablatona fourth official and so ayo ref friend Gideon Ni Kofia meno kasewe ayo official sa etina se Sunday games and also etumi to the yeri sound komono and so etumi to the na unim se penifo do dona and so to ticket e ma sound conference fans omo betumi akwohwe sa game and also etumi to the na unim se Sunday game no e dia penifo e ticket and say rate and so etumi abetudwa ewo sagima and also etumi etudwa ma mfen tudwa say ade a popular stand no 50 Ghana cedis wo kok Papa Yara Stadium Sunday na ade a ukra we say popular stand no and 50 Ghana cedis ayede sound komono and so etumi etudwa na center line horso and also 50 Ghana cedis na VIP no and 200 Ghana cedis na VIP no and also 300 Ghana cedis ayede sound komono and so etumi etudwa na unim say ade akopiem ewa Ashanti region de Penina Yefen Dr. Frank Amwakohini wono Ashanti regional minister opinion and so etumi ato ade 200 ticket and so edema fans Sunday omo ekwa kopiemu and so Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium yedi sound komono and so etumi to the we no popular stand ticket and opinina Yefen Mr. Dr. Frank Amwakohini wono so etumi to dwa mede anasemede munsem no and so etumi to dwa na enwumre ya ansana mebo ewremu ewo stadium and ade Greater Accra regional minister Mami a your friend Cynthia Oklu or also area atum say oh ye heart folk fan na say oh kwa kopiemu Kumasi dia ya dia me no eka say on also ato 250 tickets and also fans heart folk for mo fenwe mu Kumasi a yede sound komono and so etumi to Linda Abna Akwele Oklu ono Greater Accra regional minister mami no and so etumi ato ticket yede sound komono and so etumi to na away from that no yen kwhwe nsema and also boba sa big man ɛno nso betumi atodwa ɛwɔ saa game a ɛno nso etumi ɛtodwa na unim sɛ Kumasi Asante Korokwenche ɛna mo pamo anaso penina yefan Abdul Karim Zito head coach Orizane ye ɛnso ɛrefi saa game a ɛno nso etumi ɛtodwa na unim sɛ Ashanti regional chairman ɛdema Kumasi Asante Koroko Mr Alex Menu mo penino nso di nkomo sɛ watete sɛ Maxwell Kunedu wono eba be replace openi a yefan Abdul Karim Zito yentie nsema openi a yefan Alex Menu Ashanti regional chairman ɛdema Kumasi Asante Koroko wono ɛretudwa.
Our assistant coach must also follow suit. If Kojito has resigned, maybe he might have realized that no, he did not do enough. If he did not do enough, then he works with the assistant coach. They should also go. They should also follow coach Karim Jito. Then we bring new people on board to come and then steer the affairs of the club. I think Hamza Obey was on the.
Yes, and no, I am come opinion. Your friend Alex Menu, Ashanti regional chairman, Edema Kumasi Asante Koroko, Eddie Tuja say idea. Unim say na watch him and assistant coach Edema Kumasi Asante Koroko Penina. Your friend Prince Owusu idea. One of FR boys no our training session and also etumi eto try our dako judge. Name on supporters ni bi. One etumi eko pamo penino and so the free training session and also eto try no and some Mr. Alex Menu. One of HHM say idea as a coach Karim Zito eko dia penina. Mr. Prince aye oseno one also endinachi na onkwa yedi sound komono and so etumi etuja on Maxwell Kunedu return to Kumasi Asante Koroko say and ansema opinion if Mr. Alex Menu one also ekandi tuja.
Me left Kotoko with no. I think we should go for a white coach. That is my wish. Because if I'm going to hire a foreign coach, I don't think I'm going to pay him. That is my wish. So if we can, I think it will be proper that we go for a white coach. If we cannot, there are 3 good coaches around. Masokwane is unattached. Masokwane is unattached. We can still approach Masokwane to come and coach the team for us.
Yes, and I am command Mr. Alex Menu Ashanti regional chairman Edema Asante Koroko. One also edit to Jayan Semno and so to me to Dra Edema Ewatch Median so now Yanko Pieman how to full coacher. Your friend Masu did it Dramani no penino and so edin come out ahead of the big gamer. One more air body attack Kumasi Asante Koroko Sunday.
We want to wish that we are doing very, very well in terms of our preparation so that we get everything in the best ways so that we can have players who make the right decisions on the day of the game because when the game is on, coaches don't make decisions.
Yes, and I am come opinion. Your friend Masu did it Dramani edit to the head of a big game Sunday. Omo airport editor Asante Korokwa. Yet is sound common and so to me to Jana did it Dramani on supporters come Sunday no and also adding come edit to Yenim.
Make our fans, enjoy the game. Our fans should keep supporting the team as they have done before, as they have been doing. They have been so good with the team. They have been excellent in all our games wherever we find ourselves. They have always been present. I want to say that this is their game.
And some opinion, your friend Masu did it Dramani, and also to me Edika editu dra editor supporters as Sunday, or more aircraft Piemo El Kumasi, Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Yadi Sound Common, and so to me to the away from a super clash, Yantis Black Princess, Unim said Sunday, a idea more airport big game editor South Africa, and so our idea 2026, a FIFA World Cup, and also to me to dra our Poland qualification, and also to me to dra firstly Ghana etnaho, or more airport 2-2 editor South Africa, Unim said Sunday, second leg on, and also to me at to Jayadia. In Tiamensa, I can say Black Princess of Ghana, almost to me at Chita or Johannesburg, or more air preparation ahead of the big gamer, and also to me to Jayadi Sound Common, and so to me to Jana Unse Mamia, your friend Matilda Demedo, one also a media officer Edma Blackwist Namamino, and so to me Akasa Afa second lega, and also to me to Jaya South Africa.
Pay your standard, because him say all the time U20 qualification is non-negotiable. They be a qualify a World Cup. Until all the time they are na pese na senka a kwa. You be better your performance from the group stage, not rather. But say if it comes to a level where qualification is a bit as I dice a shaky, be a say but all hope is not lost. It's too
Mamia efe Matilda Demedo wono so edi tuja say ade Ghana sana yebo tutu ewo Ghana no dwumedie na eno so betumi atodwa ewo South African Hope ne de enya de no so etumi elusi wanti wo Ghana ni anyagide se mama wano ekwa kopiem ewo South Africa no mo akofa sa victory no enso ewo a yede san komo no enso etumi etodwa okai Ghana friendly gamer wo mo airport tia Japan branch na ye friend Francis Abu wono efa injunantia mensa kan se Black Stars wo Dr. FM Prince Pambo opini no enso etumi piemu ewo France wono akosha branch na ye friend Francis Abu ameno ekasa branch no wono so egusa oye rehaba yede san komo no enso etumi etodwa na Thomas Stepate ne ho sensem no won wonim se yade antia mensa kan se meno ekasa je yade a impenifo etumi ede 2 new cases rape case no etumi abo Thomas Stepate meno ekasa 30th of March no wono so beka kopiemu ewo UK omo quarter eno so ewo ho yede san komo no enso etumi etodwa on this note no ye fa fisem no ensini ntwe ho ye ba na mono ne nsem no enso etumi atoa so ede amamo.
Get a grip with that super break. Lumba in super natural mineral water. Get a grip with that super break.
DL Power Sports on DLFM. DL Power Sports on DLFM. 106.9.
The problem is that I think the referee is for them. The referee is for them. I remember I scored a goal. And after jubilating, they cancelled the goal.
Right, fam on nsem no ento aso tempani enko piemu enso match se na nwumre no eno so etumi eto dwana ko piemu EP on mu dia yade a 8:45 ana se 8:15 yade a Arsenal omo ekwa we e boss a big game no enso e tia Brentford boboko na yede san komo no enso etumi eto dwa saso na Copa del Rey no yade nwumre ya boss 7:45 Barcelona ekwa we no mo abosa big game na de tia Atletico Madrid wo Wanda Metropolitano yede san komo no enso etumi eto dwa away from that no wonim say NJP and idea Real Madrid president FM Florentino Perez and so Edberto Dwasa idea Super League no kwan biaso no and also betumi atodwa ewo Europa yedi san komonantia mensa can say finally before and so etumi akwatena senya idea Super League no and also betumi atodwa yedi san komono and so etumi etodwa ntimi no can say the sa koka and also etodwa say idea Madrid for etiom ho akopo idea and also Super League na idea and also betumi atodwa yeri san komono enso etumi etodwa enso dia wa ewo dwumedie ni so a ye kan san komono enso etumi ere acho na away from that no wo ye ntisima ne enkohwe nsem a eno so every ho ebadia nsem from no ukopiemu enso Manchester United dia openi na ye fen Michael Carrick no ono so ere tudwa say Branton na ye fen Kobe Menu na Branton no ono so betumi atna ewo United we ye team na wa ye wadwen say oba be fa Branton a ye fen Kobe Menu dia openi no enso ere tudwa say Branton no ono so betumi atna yede san komono enso etumi etudwa na me no ekase de kopiemu ewo England opinina ye friend Thomas Tuchel no yade opinino so age contract extension to 2028 yede san komono enso etumi etudwa na onum say since opinia ye friend Thomas Tuchel wono ebefa England national team na de opinino wono so etumi elusi game ho a yede san komono enso etumi etudwa ntimi no ekase de opinia ye friend Thomas Tuchel no wono Apple World Cup ni yade a wono so ewo 2 years extension ho a yede san komono enso etumi etuda na Al Nassr se club na ye fen Al Hilal after say omo efa Branton na ye fen Karim Benzema no yade a Branton ye fen Darwin Nunes rentia mensa kan se Al Nassr for no omo eyi boy ni din e fi omo squad a omo ere bo eye league no enso ho a yede san komono enso etumi etuda we cho se baby ede no na baby enso etumi shigo a me no kasa Branton na ye fen Darwin Nunes no ni din enso de fi Al Hilal club no mu a yede san komono enso etumi etuda na former Chelsea player, former Man City player, former Arsenal player na ye friend Raheem Sterling no na unim say Branton me no ekase de wono ebuna ketem ekopiemu e Feyenoord da ho na Branton free agent no wono so etumi asan edema Feyenoord yede san komono enso etumi etuda na after say Branton ye friend Erling Haaland enra wono so etumi ehye go edebo City de mensa kan say this season no o pe players a wono etumi ashe goals ye pan ewo EPL no mu dia branch no ono so etumi ashe 24 goals a me no ekase in all competition this season branch no ono so etumi abo 40 games ade a ono so etumi ashe 42 assists no ono so etumi aye 7 a ye de san komo no enso etumi etudwa na this season one yembo endu baby anemo no ukopiem ewo Europe 2026 nkwa managers a clubs no omo so etumi apamon Chelsea ubeka omo epamo penina ye fen Enzo Maresca Arsenal United omo epamo penia ye friend Ruben Amorim Arsenal Real Madrid omo epamo penina ye friend Xabi Alonso Arsenal Olympique de Marseille omo epamo omo coach na ye friend Roberto Di Zerbi na enwe ya Tottenham for no omo so epamo omo coach na ye friend Thomas Frank into 2026 no ya dia managers a omo so efi omo clubs no ma ye dey san komo no enso etumi to guarantee mensa can say Madrid from this summer ya dia right back position no and omo top priority a omo ehwem so etumi nya mrante ne bia umbetumi esia kan edema Madrid yedi sak nsem no enso etumi to Kai Havertz player enso edema Arsenal de Ghana na boy no ono so epeki injury ahead of the big game on Sunday omo ebo edetia Tottenham dia boy no ono so betumi abo sa game eno so etumi to yedi sak komoro enso etumi to na since Abrantia Jeffen Antoine Semenyo ono so joining Man City bobo konenra Abrantia no ehye go dia 5 goals and 2 assists na Abrantia na Jeffen Antoine Semenyo ono so etumi aye ama Man City bobo kona yedi san komono enso etumi to David Alaba defender enso edima Real Manentia mensa kansa branch no ono so edi atum say since openina ye fen aye Abalowa ebe manager na dia ono so enya games ni ebi point me no kasa edi branch no ono awia tam so say ya dia summer ono so bebu na ketem edi fi Real Madrid yedi san komono enso etumi to na unim say in 2025 upe player ye Tony Chelsea dodo e wasase we so Lamine Yamal wono ene the latest player 2025 nyina no ye tumi Tony Chelsea e wo ho no e 1315 million eno e sika na se dodo a Chelsea amafo etumi to 2025 ye ri ensem no enso etumi to Leo Messi eto simino eno e 1278,000 eno so e sika na se Chelsea dodo a openina ye fe Leo Messi ono so etumi to ya ye ri sa komo no enso etumi to na me last story a medicine e dia kopiem EPO no ma Branton na your friend James Milner only see a kind Edema Brighton and Hove Albion na onim say in the history of EPO ono ene the only player ono etumi apple matches dodo enso odi ama EPO clubs na made ehonsem no enso etumi to yanche no 653 games no penina your friend James Milner ono so etumi enya EPO ni ma yeri san komo no enso etumi to yansem no ka dos ne mom no yembre no enso etumi aye benti ye fancy na Mr. Sammy B ono so etumi enfa de wo no so ento aso na dwumedi no ninya enso etumi embre medino enso ed Kenneth Arthur betumi afrem coffee popcorn offer my fancy
also mna ne ye den
o say popcorn de me pepa eti since primary and I didn't damn so coffee popcorn baby abe fe bia no mo bo me samrani a popcorn de enya de no de and also betumi abo
ti se won saka bia we okay obibia mu
sa pepe
se wanya aduane ani kura ye okay
na wo fa popcorn wo wi popcorn we bo so gu so se aduane an wedi no
popcorn de ahin bi na wo ka ho asem
o popcorn on de amode ase de amode ni do afa kakra de kakra afa no wo fa de da koma bro bi mo aka hwe
e bo modern because de bia de wo kan bia na minnim ye obi ene wo ma hodo nti mpenizi sebe benyansafo ya na ibunu be nti anka na semti no se enen so ye Thursday ya me ya doma ye kina ye kwatema so ya we
me ya we se ye kwatema
ye kina ye kwatema
titemafo nyina shama do wenya pram fo nyina omutumi enhia otema sanse ho na kina ye kukuru deal e de abepiem e otema from morning show up to silver lady show no ninya betumi ade atodwa e otema te bia wo e otema ne mpotemu bia do wenya probi ho efen mateku me de pa ashama area ho ye fe kuro bi mateku me de pa se mateku ne ewumienu
ye wo mateku e ba kono wo e kaswa side
e wo no
ene ba konso ha bio
yes
ebi wo kaneshi
yes
ene dos wo nkra ha okay ena ye fe ne tamanso bi wo ho no
yes
ho no ukoye den wo
di na me de mateku
Usire na hu say din. Me pese me hu say bia na wakọ hopen.
Oh, there were carnation dey makọ hopen. But na me nim say different one be so e wo e tema outside.
Ukwesra obi wo ho ana.
Oh, ananche ya e de bedu echi ti e ho na e de.
Ejuma na de mo kopie mu. Ejuma na de mo ko.
Oh, ananche
na ko e.
Oh, me ana me ko me nkwa na me ko e.
Hey, be ngo fa asifu yi. Inti ya chena ye ndwumadi ahodo ni nyina no ebetodwa wo tema nti ebesere mo eye TMA Tema Metropolitan Assembly ni mo ho no mo car park wa na dwumadi na me ya adoma park wo no wa na dwumadi na ebetodwa nti momodi ana mu nhya yankopɔ ya adoma chena no pa no nsia ekopem enumere kura na nuachi kura no krompap ho nso bɛbɔ so krompap ho bɛyɛ de after show no ho nyina bɛyɛ de nti programs ahodo ni nyina no echena ye deba from morning show that is any so home obia mid morning ye kwekuram dwumadie no enti ube hu DJ Hitman enna pamfo ba no ba behia echena e wotema ena efia sugar nso betenem e dia ma ye kwekuram dwumadie no that is the mid morning show monim say 2025 ye na ye the best mid morning show host of the year efia sugar enti monim say de tenen ena no achi no program ba ko station hanom Ghana phone fani agrokra DLR yem papa dadi Lumba ni program kesiye pa ye yema ni fie hanom dwam treni ye na najwa circuit e kyenakopɔ ya adoma one ni team ni nyina e ba na ba menua ba sexy journalist e kyena obetema sanso ena kwame efum oka ho a e kyena ho bɛyɛ de ena no achi ne enwom betuatua ye nua ba server le defita sa kado e kyena ho bɛyɛ de pa ndi senior catch na Ghana for say chiro mu hia wa ka no mu hia
yes enti ya china de baby a wo bia no wo be pie mu e wo tema municipality ni mo na ya de ye kuku deal mefidie ni dwumadie ni nya be pie mu mo boboa no ene ye de radio no e be ma boboa no enti e bia Mr Hitman tenase na wo how bia utumi twipin no na wa be kan how san say the radio na eden etumi abem wetumi aka wa asema ya no so betumi ama nema etumi ade akoyi
say de wo kan no ye de radio na be mu amfitiri and bibi wo ha no ma hawa ana ye tete wo abra na bra beka na Ghana fo nyina hunu de ye ko titiri ne tamafo a ye be mo no ema ye manwie na ye nko na mbeka se na sei nti mo mra na mo amagi microphone na mo mpere mo menem na mpenifo mete ye bompa ye se mu MC beba begina mu bi ye ma me ye nua ba ya de nyina e bi bright ye hwe anim so beba ne mpenifo do we ka ho na ya me ya do me kina no o matumi aba na mo ankasa mo hawa hodo amuna mu a e bia na mpenifo nya hu ye no na mo de abeto o manim de ye besere mo kina mo hia wotema enti nkronkura hodo atwatama ho ahia nyina from community 1 up to 25 ene ahia ma ne de keka ho nyina prampramfo ni nyina no e kina mo behia na bibia nya den enya kamana si na nya sa
Sabe na ovance na be korno one ab ampese
yetimi
once ukopie mu wase a Reverend Richard Kojo Odami etumi ye the initiative biaba say the boa mebu na wo asene ne potemu say bia youth no bebre na de omo ho ahyendu boni but nei ye nya opinion etu ne ho asi wo say or the agudi anase sports anase football ba a simple temu a we no inter community gala and Mr Reverend Richard Kojo Odami etumi ba wasenti we no wato ne din say Coma Cup 2026 enti asene ne potemu nyina no footballer betumi akeka kro wo ho ni ide etumi abem ti wo fa ye be launch asen edubiase 14th February Saturday ya Vazi adofo ehyehyem no na yetumi launch sa adwumeden Coma Cup 2026 legends ni nya kwa kopiemu wasinli adi Steven Apia Maxwell Kunedu Reverend Osei Kofi what yes nti omunia kwa kopiemu enso wasin Coma Cup 2026 anu say de toja wasin edubiase 14th February na launch na anu say de etumi toja nti ofa mayende wasi ye nia
beba edu aka me
yes Kofi champion of Angel TV and o say menton cry entumi FM nti ofa
enti beba
yes
chere say me baby wate dia ompa baby a ofa meda na ompe de ofa de a me de kama no
yes
enti yem fancy ne enso so kasebɔ ne ye de semusefo ne ya Mace Mebel ntwe se mu ema yen champion Taylor Bemo boa danso jano no edi ekopie mu wo Facebook and FNC YouTube makasebɔ no wonya bi ehwe ye Mr Samuel Akwa dodo abono mane se DJ Zigibi echinchim efenifuruma esom ye se technical producer okenkan ya mekwa ne control crowbesom ani ne dia meje so ye wofa osia de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy na mesa so na mesre mo adama se de bia ye de tuma ni mun kai bokwan so no so wo bia wo dan eye single self contain ana say make a sebia na wo chamber ho self contain wo alajo potem and ya Beka Junction Abeka La Pass Akoteman Achem Water Tessa non potem ho ma mesra wada ba made na fra homa trufui na ene edwumayeni a wo ye edwuma o DLFM ni nkomo efri se ebi ehia dan ya ni manimi ya nti mesra wada wotem ka ni mle na wo single self contain anase make say ebi a chamber ho self container so wo alajo ene ne potem anase Abeka Junction Abeka La Pass anase Tessa no Tessa no Akoteman ana chimwata fra homai 0557 171020 0557 171020 0557 171020 yede masipi ya me ya adoma e chena be hia wotema na DJ Afiba e betena ti fra sam ne kopi me nondu radio ni ya ne dia obegbo wonwom sa ma ankasa mo wera ho na nondu ni nya agbo wie pe eno achi kura no anyum so da ho tuatua pantitama foi yaba enyu we sene wanteme nka wa fama akron titama ye ne eba no